Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making these super amazing, super soft and fluffy marble cupcakes. They're super easy to make. Please watch the recipe till the end so you don't miss any part. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. The full recipe will be given in the description down below. So let's get started. Here in a bowl, I'll be adding 2 eggs at room temperature. To it, I'll be adding 2/3 cups of granulated sugar. You can add 3/4 cup or 1 cup if you like it more sweet, and a few drops of vanilla essence. Beat well till the egg mixture doubles in size and turns pale yellow. Your egg mixture has to have a ribbon-like texture, just like this. Now here I'll be adding half a cup of buttermilk. If you don't have ready-made buttermilk, you can just take half a cup of milk and add in it 1 teaspoon of vinegar and give it a good mix. And here I'm adding half a cup of oil. You can use melted butter if you like at this point. Beat for a few seconds. Here I'll be sieving in my dry ingredients. Here I'm adding 1 plus 1/3 cup of flour, a pinch of salt, 1 heap teaspoonful of baking powder. Sieve well. Now mix your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients gently using a spatula. You don't want to overmix. Just mix gently till you get a lump-free batter. And there you have it. Your vanilla batter is perfectly ready. Set your vanilla batter aside. In another bowl, I'll be adding half of my vanilla batter. To it, I'll be adding 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of milk. Give it a good mix gently using a whisk. If your batter is too thick, you can add a little bit more milk. But if your batter is perfectly fine, you can skip the milk completely. And there you have it, your chocolate batter is also ready. Now in your cupcake mold lined with cupcake liners, we're gonna be using a tablespoon to add in first our vanilla batter. Now once I've added my vanilla batter, I'll be using the same tablespoon and I'll add 1 tablespoon of the chocolate batter in each cupcake liner. And like that, we will repeat the process till our cupcake liners are almost full. You don't want to fill your cupcake liners till the top so your batter doesn't overflow. And here I'm using a toothpick just to swirl in my batter to give it that beautiful marble design on top. And now we will bake our cupcakes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes or until they're done. Here I'm using a small cake mold. I had some batter left, so I decided to make a small cake out of it. I'm adding my chocolate batter first right at the bottom, and on top of that I'll be adding my vanilla batter. You can use rest of the batter to make more cupcakes if you like, or you can just make a normal cake. Once I've added my batter, I will swirl it in using a toothpick and I'll bake it as well in the oven. Here our marble cupcakes are perfectly ready. Just look at how beautiful they turned out. We'll just cover it and let it set at room temperature. And here our cupcakes have cooled down completely. And here I've demolded my cake. That also came out amazing. Just look at how beautiful these cupcakes look. Let's see how these cupcakes turned out. Look at how super soft and moist they have turned, and they look super amazing from the inside and out. Let's have a taste test. Oh my god, you guys, they taste super amazing. And this is a piece from our cake that we have baked from our leftover batter. This also turned out amazing. I hope you enjoyed baking with me today. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes. And if you have any questions, please mention it in the comment section down below. See you next time. Bye.